guys, today I have Beauty by Francesca. This is a self-care subscription which runs $29.99 monthly. You can cancel at any time. For $29.99, you do receive 5 to 6 handmade natural and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotion bars, bath salts, body oils, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plant oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oil. Okay, so my July Beauty by Francesca has arrived. So let's see what 5 products I have received this time. Smells amazing as always. And it looks like the theme is glow. So I want you to glow this month by intentionally taking care of and paying attention to your body. You will feel good about yourself, and an inner glow, a sense of pride and well-being will follow. A fantastic way to achieve this outer inner glow is through body exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin on a regular basis has numerous benefits. It helps polish and renew so that your skin looks and feels smooth. It helps keep skin youthful by stimulating collagen production. It boosts blood circulation to increase oxygen to the cells and eliminate waste. And finally, it helps increase product absorption. So this first product that I'm tossing around here is a moisturizing juicy watermelon scented soap with an embedded loofah slice. Use in a circular motion to gently slaw away dead skin cells on the body, paying particular attention to any rough areas on the feet, elbows, knees, or any problem areas such as stretch marks or cellulite. The ingredients are coconut oil, palm oil, safflower oil, glycerin, purified water, sodium hydroxide, sorbitol, propylene glycol, sorbitan, oleate, oat protein, and a natural fragrance. It's a 4-ounce size and it smells amazing. Okay, so this one is the Sweet Berry Lip Scrub. It's an exfoliating lip scrub made with organic sugar, rooibos tea, raw honey, and a blend of avocado and olive oils. Use Sweet Berry Lip Scrub twice per week to remove dead cells. This helps to prevent dry and chapped lips and to minimize dark spots and discoloration. To use lip scrub, only a tiny amount is needed. So this contains organic sugar, cocoa butter, coconut oil, rice bran oil, honey, vitamin E oil, rooibos tea, benzoyl oil, benzoic acid, dehydratic acid, whatever it said, I'm sorry, Mika, and natural fragrance. It looks delicious, but I have others open, so I'm just going to not open that at this time. Okay, so the next one is this exfoliating loofah soap. It's a nice and scrubby soap bar with embedded loofah throughout the soap. This bar is made with mood-lifting cedarwood and palmarosa essential oils, plus moisturizing olive and avocado oils. Use this handcrafted gem to boost skin circulation, brighten skin, and remove dead cells for a smooth skin that glows. The ingredients are sustainable palm kernel oil, olive oil, coconut oil, sodium hydroxide, castor oil, almond oil, shea butter, cedarwood essential oils, palmarosa essential oils, loofah, bentonite clay, kelp, spinach, spirulina. It smells amazing. Okay, let's see. The next is the lip balm set. This contains 4 creamy moisturizing balms to keep lips nourished. The lips don't have the same oil glands as the rest of your skin, so it's important to use a lip balm daily to protect from the elements and keep the skin moist and crack-free. With this 4-pack of lip balm set that includes berry, coconut, sweet orange, and spearmint, you can choose a different flavor for every day. So the berry has beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, olive oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, and natural fragrance. And then this is the coconut moisturizing lip balm, same ingredients. And then this one is the, what would that one say? Sweet orange. Oh, I bet that one is nice. So that's pretty much the same ingredients, except it has some sweet orange essential oil. And then we have the berry here, which I'm going to try. Oh, that feels really nice. It has a nice little berry scent to it, so definitely going to use those. Okay, so the last one is the exfoliating facial complexion pads. It's a seasonal change or harsh on the skin and can leave your complexion feeling dry and looking dull. These exfoliating facial complexion pads safely and effectively remove layers of dead skin for a glowing complexion. So I think I'm really going to like these as well. So you just moisten it with your favorite, cleanser and gently massage. But do not use with an exfoliant because that may irritate the skin. Okay, so a quick recap. We have the exfoliating facial complexion pads. We have the loofah soap. Then we have the, let's see, watermelon loofah soap. And then the 4 lip balms. And then the lip scrub, which comes with this little spatula. So those are the 5 items. And the box is amazing as always. So let me know what you think of July, as always, in the comments. And I will see you in the next video.